So I just got done making this keto cake in a mug. It's chocolate cake. I got a little bit of powdered sugar on top. Swerve. Keto sugar, keto approved. So I will taste it in a little bit. But I just want to let you know that I have a birthday party I'm going tonight. And I do want a little bit of birthday cake. So I'm going to make myself a cake. So it's going to be 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of almond flour. 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener for keto. These 2 are the best keto sweetener. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And we want 2 teaspoons of coconut flour. A quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. Half teaspoon of baking powder. And you can finish it up and crack an egg in there and then just mix it up. Put it in the microwave for like 1 minute and 30 seconds and you're good. And then you put a little bit of powdered sugar on top. And let's taste it. It's gonna be my first time tasting it with you guys, so let's see how it tastes. It's really moist. The powdered sugar, you could go without. But it's really moist. It's almost like a brownie, kind of like a cake. It's really good. You should try it. Hi, YouTubers. Well, I am on my way to my niece's birthday party. And like I said before, I'm doing the keto chocolate cake in a mug. So I prep everything in a Ziploc bag, put all the dry ingredients in here. So when I get there, I could just put it in a mug. And then I got my egg. 2 tablespoons of butter in one bag. And just in case they don't have the vanilla, so I brought mine too. And when I get there, I'm just gonna mix, milk the butter, mix the dry ingredients, add my vanilla, crack the egg, mix it all together, maybe about 90 seconds, and then we'll be good. So, yes, I got my face on, gotta look like human being going to a birthday party. So yes, I don't always look like I'm going to the gym all the time. So